Hello, and welcome to a short video regarding the creation of physiographic features, along with a showcase of some examples of these features on Earth. In this video, I will be showing the geographic locations of these areas and then showcasing some photos of these landmarks as I explain the process of these types of features forming. The first physiographic feature I'll be explaining is the Yellowstone caldera. As defined by the National Geographic Society, a caldera is, quote, a large depression resulting from the collapse of the center of a volcano. This particular phenomenon happens when a volcano releases the majority of its magma in one single eruption, removing all structural support within the volcano and creating a large, circular hole where it once stood. Calderas are the most destructive type of volcano, as it is the only volcano to permanently alter the landscape around it. The Yellowstone caldera in particular was created by what is known as the Yellowstone supervolcano, which last erupted approximately 640,000 years ago. This created a caldera that spans over 45 miles. The land has reformed around the crater created, bringing with it a lake and a plethora of flora and fauna. This caldera also hosts Yellowstone's famous Old Faithful Geyser, the most popular attraction in the park and one of the most popular attractions in the U.S. A recent study done on the Yellowstone supervolcano revealed that the volcano still had an extremely large magma chamber despite its creation of the caldera. Surprisingly, it was discovered that this magma chamber is roughly the same size as the original, before the supervolcano erupted the first time and created the caldera. The second physiographic feature to be discussed is the Mariana Trench. Trenches are defined by the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute as, quote, steep depressions in the deepest parts of the ocean, end quote. These trenches are formed by a process called subjection, which involves the convergence of two or more tectonic plates within the Earth's crust. When this happens, the denser plate is pushed underneath the lighter plate, thus causing the ocean floor and the lithosphere of Earth's crust to adjust and create a steep depression in the ocean. Trenches account for a lot of Earth's seismic activity due to its tectonic dynamicism, and they are also responsible for the creation of volcanic islands nearby. The Mariana Trench is the deepest trench and the deepest point on Earth, stretching for over 1,580 miles with a depth that is difficult to properly research. A few expeditions have been conducted on the trench, the deepest of such readings being taken at 36,201 feet below Earth's surface. The final physiographic feature I will be talking about is the formation of sedimentary rocks, primarily with the formation of Antelope Canyon. According to the National Park Service, sedimentary rocks are formed from the compacting of deeply rooted deposits of pre-existing rocks or pieces of once living organisms that accumulate on the Earth's surface. This type of rock formation is found commonly in the desert and is characterized by its layered appearance and the contrasting bands of different rock types. Named after the antelopes that roam the area around the canyons, Antelope Canyon is comprised of sedimented Navajo sandstone that has been eroded away by wind and water to create a network of cavernous rock formations. The canyons lie on Navajo land and are only able to be explored by the public through guided tours by a member of the Navajo tribe. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative and interesting.